Student Council is the forefront for the students to emerge with their independent thought. Encouraging student participation creates enlightenment, citizens of tomorrow, because today's student will be a future worker, he will be future politician, he will be future teachers or a good administrator. Now imagine if these important components of the society fail to think differently, fail to voice what they feel. What kind of society will have in the future? Isn't our democracy would suffer? That is why student activism is very much important in the democracy, and the democracy only becomes successful if people participate in it. My dear friends, I am just placing an example. Sir has introduced me that I have struggled a lot in my life. It is a true thing, but I have never dreamed about the politics. I come into the politics, it was an accident. The people forced me to come and contest, but at that time I was not having any political background, nor I was supported by a business house or a business tycoon. But the people's love and the blessings of the people enlightened me to contest the election
College
of MES College,
and hereby swear that we shall work sincerely for the honor, progress and glory of our college.
I have a strong feeling that MES College has been literally a nursery of leadership qualities. From the portals of our institution, leaders who have dominated various different walks of life, including the political life, the various leaders that have scaled great heights of glory, excellence, name and fame, have passed out of our institution. I was recollecting during the last government, as many as 5 important members were part of the government. Mamin was there, Vijay Philip was there, Milind was there, Akbaran Nadkarni was there, and Kabra was there, all our students.